Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. It's Friday, December 2nd, and I thought I'd ride in. It's supposed to be halfway decent today, so here we go. Oh yeah. It's not too bad. It's like 30 something, 33, 34. My turn signals are working better this morning. So, Trevor and I went looking at something a few days ago. We, I don't want to say what it is because I don't want to jinx it yet, but if we can get it, it'd be pretty awesome. So, but yeah, there could be a new addition to the channel soon if we can get things sorted out, so that'd be awesome. It's actually kind of nicer riding kind of at sunrise. This isn't too bad. I got myself a balaclava, you know, ski mask. And that's keeping my neck pretty toasty. I found that if I put it up by my mouth, the hot breath goes up into my glasses. That's no bueno. But I kind of pulled it down here, but it's still covering my chin and stuff too, which isn't bad. So it's like a question: are people going to stop? So I haven't released the video yet, but I bought my daughter a Hello Kitty CD player. It's like boombox AM/FM radio. It's pretty much straight out of the 90s, and I got it off eBay. I got it for like, I don't know, 30 bucks or something, and really wanted it for the CD player. And of course, the only thing that doesn't work is the CD player. But I did a video it was yesterday where I tear into it and figure out what's wrong with it and fix it. So that's pretty cool. I'll be putting that up here in the next couple of days. You know, it is a Christmas gift. My daughter does sub to my channel, so hopefully she won't see it. So, oh man, it's actually not too terrible outside. Let me pull up a little bit more. Come on, pull up. Pull up. Kind of hoping that Jeep guy'd pull up behind me. There we go. We're gonna get to go anyways here in a second. Oh, my eyes are burning. Hell of a time for my eyes to start burning. Anywho, hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving, and can't believe it's already December 2nd. Also my daughter's Elf on the Shelf made a return. If you want to see the hijinks that he gets into, go check me out on Instagram, Iceman50, and I'll be posting daily pictures of what Mr. Luke Skywalker, that's his name, what troubles he's getting into. So far, he was hanging out with some. Yesterday, he was hanging out with some characters from Naruto. He even ended up getting a tiny little headband on with some kind of symbol on it. That's pretty funny. And then this morning, he was chilling with the Council of Elders, the 5 of my nutcrackers. He was sitting in the middle of a circle of nutcrackers, holding a bullet bourbon bottle. So if you want to see some funny shit, go check that out. I'll be updating it every day, 30 days. So, but yeah, that's pretty funny. God, it's Friday. This baklava helps a lot. Wish I had a temp gauge on my bike. Need like an outdoor thermometer on there. Late this morning, I slept through my alarm. I told you guys I don't sleep so well. I woke up at like 1 o'clock this morning, and I was up till like 3:30. I just sit around watching YouTube till I get sleepy again, and so like I said, I went back to sleep about 3:30. I wake up at 5 o'clock, and I woke up at 6:30 today. So, oh well. Sun's slightly up. Easier to see and be seen. Supposedly one of my friends stalled down at the light up here. I doubt he's still here. Maybe, hopefully he got a jump. Yeah, he's gone. He's like, oh, can you give me a jump? I'm like, I just woke up, sorry. Oh, man. Full way up so everybody pulls behind me so I can actually go. There we go. That was quick. I was watching the guy behind me in the rearview mirror, and I looked up and the light was green. Oops. Yeah. Get up to Security up here. Hey, morning. All right. We're in. Oh man. Yeah, this week it was like one day. I don't know, it was Wednesday or something. It was like 13 outside. I'm like, oh geez, I don't know. I'm gonna need some kind of thermals or something if I'm gonna ride that low. That's pretty cold. Oh yeah, I never changed my my clock on my bike. Well, I changed it once, but I forgot about daylight savings time. Now my clock says 8 o'clock. Well, I know it's 7 o'clock. Yeah, so anyways, as soon as something gets set in concrete, I'm going to tell you guys about what we're trying to get. It'd be a pretty sweet. Oh, fuck! Man, the wind off that truck. Holy shit. Almost blew me over. Yeah, so it'd be pretty sweet if we could get what we're looking at. So I just don't want to, like I said, I don't want to jinx myself. So I'll, as soon as I know more, I'll let you guys know. But it's going to be pretty epic. Something I do have coming up that I do occasionally is I've got some, I ordered some of these Bluetooth speaker setups, like DIY Bluetooth speakers from AliExpress, and I'm going to be, I've got 2 of them, so I'm going to do one on camera, and then, you know, if you guys tune in to watch, I'll be giving it, the other one away to somebody random. Just got to leave me a comment. Fuck it. What are you going to do? So, alright everybody, we'll see you in the next icy adventure. Easy.